This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jason Lee. This spacious 3,040 square feet home is nestled down a shared private road in the sought-after Edgemoor neighborhood. Thoughtful floor plan offers multiple lower-level living areas, dining room, gas fireplaces and bright rooms that bring nature indoors. The recently remodeled kitchen boasts a large island, quartz countertops, alder cabinets, generous built-in pantry and JennAir appliances. Upstairs you'll find a spacious primary bedroom west/ensuite and jetted tub, massive bonus room and office. Life outside is a delight with natural landscaping, large deck and a private backyard buffer, creating a serene park-like setting on 0.63 acres. A rare find in a fantastic walkable neighborhood. Minutes from parks, trails and charming Fairhaven. Must see in person. For more information, review the details below or contact Jason Lee at 360-734-7500.